If you want to change your MSN homepage in Microsoft Edge, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you want MSN to open every time you launch Edge, or you just want to set it as your start page for faster access to news, mail, and updates, this tutorial will walk you through the process clearly and safely. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the three dots menu icon. This is where Edge keeps most of its settings and customization options. Click those three dots and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several categories there and the one you want is called Start, Home, and New tabs. Click that option to open the home page and start up settings. Now, in the section labeled When Edge Starts, you'll see a few different choices. To make MSN open automatically when Edge launches, select Open these pages. This tells Edge to load specific websites every time the browser starts. After selecting that option, click Add a new page. A small box will appear where you can enter the website address. Type https://msn.com exactly as shown, then click Add to save it. And that's it. MSN should now be set as one of your startup pages in Microsoft Edge. The next time you open the browser, it will take you directly to MSN, making it easy to get to your favorite news and content right away. If this video helped you change your MSN homepage, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.